We offer you an adapter, which makes the use of several different trailers possible. See that you have the following things on hand. You can order our trailer adapter along with your ampler in our online shop. It adapts the axle from an M12 to a M10 thread. The adapter is not compatible with our older ampler models, Hawk, Burley or Pennon. We show you how to easily attach the adapter to your ampler e-bike. Remove the nut from the left side of the rear dropout. This can be done with a 6mm hex key as well as with a 15mm wrench. The black washer must remain on the axle bolt with the peg facing down. Attach the adapter to the axle. Make sure that it is properly attached. Now remove the top bolt. Now you can attach the axle mount supplied by the trailer manufacturer. Tighten the bolt and hold the axle mount securely in place. Now you can attach the hitch arm and security straps. This process can vary depending on the trailer manufacturer. Be sure to check the instructions for the trailer. You are ready to go. Enjoy the extra push from the motor.